let us check the first option in the first statement. In first statement you have fg equals to g square. If you take an element hg, then obviously fh will be h square and fhg will be hg square. Since hg, since this group you see in the question is an abelian group, here here you see abelian group, this means that this can be written as h square g square, and we got here fh into fg. This means that this relation is homomorphism, and we have to see that whether it is isomorphism or not. So let us take two element, these two, and equate fg equals to fh. Then this will be g square equals to h square. But these two is not going to be the identity element, because order of any element divides order of the group, but you have here odd, and 2 does not divide any odd number, so these two are not going to be identity element. This means that g equals to h. So we have proved that this relation is 1 1. So you have homomorphism plus 1 1. So this this is a group isomorphism, because we have both homomorphism and 1 1. So this statement 1 is true. Now this means that, here you see, this means that product of all elements of G is an identity element. Here you see the group G is of order an odd order, and in this we have an identity element. So non-identity elements will be 2m. See carefully, non-identity elements of G are 2m in numbers, and inverse. If you take an element of G, then its inverse will be minus a to the a inverse, and product of an element and its inverse is an identity element, and the 2m is an even number, and if you pair this such a way, a inverse, b inverse, this means that I have to say that half of elements and remaining half are inverse of each other, and product of an element and its inverse is E. Similarly, product of second element and its inverse will be E, and all such pairs will be E, and product of the first one, as I said, the identity element is already have order 1. So product of all elements will be an identity element. So second option is also correct, second statement is also correct. So we have A as our correct option.